Hello, this is Lego Crash Test Center, aka LCTC. For the first test, we have a Volvo V60 on the left and a Chrysler minivan on the right. For the Volvo V60, its crash test rating is pretty high, 5 stars. For the Chrysler minivan, its safety rating is mid 3 stars. For the second test of exactly the same cars, but under a different road condition, i.e. a slippery scenario, Volvo V60 remains a better performer. 4 stars. Chrysler minivan rating is 2 stars only. Thank you for watching our crash test by LEG.